Do you want to gain more interest in your YouTube, thus helping out your business? Then watch this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Growing Your Business on YouTube, episode 2. There's going to be a few more episodes in this series, guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you don't miss any more of my videos. Make sure you stay tuned to the end, guys, because I'm announcing the winner of the free giveaway of Diana Palm's signed copy of Setting Spirits Free. So by the end of this video, guys, you're going to hear the tips that'll help you thrive on YouTube, thus helping your business thrive. YouTube is a huge and fabulous marketing platform for anyone to use. So if you have a business or you're selling a product, make sure you get on YouTube. Tip number 1, focus on your audience. So focusing on your audience. What do they want? What are they searching for? In my niche market, I cover tarot readings, life coaching, law of attraction, all these types of things. So the people that come to me, they're kind of looking for card readings, how to do them, to avail of them. Life coaching mini lessons, all these types of different things, tutorials and things, just general information about the topics that I cover. So you want to engage that part of your market and you want to utilize it. You want to give the people what they want. So how do we know what content to provide the people with? That's very simple. The only way you know how to do that is by research, okay? See what the people want. You are the expert in your field, and these people are coming to you for information. So whatever, these are not experts, these are coming to you with specific questions, okay? So whatever they're coming to you with, that's what you put your focus on. And you give them that information that they're looking for, pardon me. And then you give them bonus information at the end. Give them extra hints and tips that you personally go by and that work for you. That's the hook. So just to recap, guys, you want to give the people the content that they want. Then you can give them the information that you feel that they need. This will add more value to your content, which will generate more interest in you and your business. Tip number 2, keyword research. So guys, if you missed my first episode about how to grow your business, I'm going to put the link up here for you. And I talk a lot more about keyword research, but we're going to delve right into it here again. So in order to find out what your audience wants, you need to do research. You need to find the words and phrases that they are searching for. And that's very simple to do. You can use tools like Keywords Everywhere, TubeBuddy, or you can use YouTube itself. I'm going to do a full video on the tools that I use, but for right now, we're going to use YouTube search. So we go onto your YouTube, guys. You have a look around there, go up to the search bar, and then you're going to type in, for example, tarot cards. Okay? And then YouTube is going to generate a list of words that would follow on from tarot cards that people are searching, the highest ranking phrases and words, okay? So you got things like tarot card for beginners, all those types of things. Now guys, let's change it up. Let's put an underscore at the beginning and let's see what happens. Okay, so you can see that YouTube has now generated a list of things that come before tarot cards, such as how to, the best, all those types of things. So YouTube is helping you generate a good title that will give you the best optimization results for your video. All this keyword research, guys, helps to rank your video, which helps your audience to grow, which helps your business to grow. Tip number 3, turning your videos into income. Okay, everyone calm down. There's a range of things you can do here. So you've got 2 avenues here, guys. If you're a big channel and you've got your 4,000 hours watched and you've got over 1,000 subscribers, YouTube's going to monetize you, okay? They're going to put ads on your videos and you'll make money from that. That's great. For smaller YouTube channels like myself, I use the affiliate program. So you've given your audience what they want. You've over-delivered on your content, okay? Now you're going to look towards the special extras. These are things like exclusive free readings, worksheets, free giveaways. All of these things, guys, is going to link your audience to all your other social media platforms. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of these things. Your website. Interest in your website means more product sales. So affiliate programs, guys, it's so easy to get involved with one. For myself, for example, I used Amazon. It's so easy to sign up and you can generate a bigger interest from that. So for instance, guys, if any of my hardcore followers are asking about my tarot decks or anything that I'm using, I will put the affiliate link to those tarot deck underneath my video. And if they go and purchase those cards through that link, I will then get a percentage of the sales. So it's not a huge amount of revenue, guys, but it is something. And when you start pushing your social media sites, which is all under that big umbrella on your website, you're going to be selling your things like your one-to-one readings, your information, your time for giving advice, and all those types of things. It's going to generate a bigger revenue for you. So just to recap, guys, you're going to use tips 1, 2, and 3 in conjunction with each other. You're going to give the audience what they want. You're going to over-deliver on your content. In so doing, driving more traffic to your other social media sites, which amps up the possibilities for extra revenue for you and your business. So it's that time of the week, guys. I'm going to announce the winner. The winner of the free giveaway of the signed copy of Diana Palm's Setting Spirits Free is Tracy McGuire. Congratulations, Tracy. I'll be DMing you soon with information on how to get that book to you. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Please stay tuned for episode 3 next week. We're going to cover things like more in-depth information on keyword research and SEOs. Sounds big, sounds important. We'll dive into that next week. If you like this video, guys, please check out my latest video right here. YouTube will pop a random one of my videos here. And if you love this video, please subscribe. Love and light.